Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop Discord from showing what game I'm playing. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To prevent Discord from displaying the game you're playing, you can adjust your settings using the following steps. So the first step would be launch the Discord application on your PC. Then, click on the gear icon located next to your username at the bottom of the Discord window. This opens the user settings menu. Now, in the left sidebar of the user settings menu, locate on click. Now, in the game activity section, you'll see a toggle switch labeled display currently running game as a status message. Toggle this switch off to prevent Discord from showing the game you're currently playing. Another method, sometimes the game status might be linked to a gaming platform account. For example, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation. Check if you have accounts connected to the connection stub and the user settings. Disconnecting any gaming accounts can also help in stopping Discord from displaying your current game. And finally, in the main user settings, under the status tab, set your status to invisible to further ensure that your activities, including the game you're playing, are not visible to others. By following these steps, you should be able to stop Discord from showing the game you're playing to others. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.